In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Subcircuit in Falstad. First, open your web browser and head to falstad.com. This is the home of the popular circuit simulator that runs right in your browser. If your browser asks to allow the page to run or use JavaScript, go ahead and allow it so everything loads correctly. On the home page, click Circuit Simulator. This launches the simulator with a sample circuit on the canvas. If you already have your own subcircuit built, you'll see it here instead. A quick tip before we export: the simulator will export everything currently on the canvas. If you only want to save a specific subcircuit, make sure that's the only thing present, or copy it into a fresh session first. Next, click the full screen version. This gives you a cleaner workspace and makes the menu options easier to access. You'll see the menu bar at the top, your components on the canvas, and the simulation controls. Full screen mode doesn't change the export process, but it makes it easier to find the options we need. Now go to the File menu in the top left. This is where Falstad's import and export tools live. Opening this menu won't change your circuit, it just reveals the different ways you can save or share it. Choose Export as Text. Falstad will generate a plain text description of your circuit, often called a netlist. This text contains all the components, their values, and how they're connected, as well as layout information so it can be reconstructed exactly later. It's lightweight, portable, and perfect for saving a subcircuit you want to reuse. When the text window appears, click Copy to Clipboard. That copies the entire block of text in one click, reducing the chance of missing a line. If you prefer, you can also select it manually and copy, but the button is the safest way to grab everything. Finally, paste the copied text into a new file using your favorite text editor and save it. Use a clear name like your subcircuit name and consider adding a .txt or .cir extension so it's easy to identify later. Store it in a folder where you keep your circuit projects, and you might add a short note at the top of the file about what the subcircuit does and any version details, which makes future updates easier to track. And that's it. You've successfully saved your subcircuit from Falstad as a reusable text file. You can keep it for your own library or share it with collaborators so they can load it in their own simulator sessions.